Hello and welcome to my channel. My name is Desiree, and for today's tutorial I am doing a makeup tutorial for fall. Yay! So for today's look I have some green, some like goldeny colors, some reddish brown lips going on. So if you want to see how I created this look, then please continue watching, and if you can, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. So let's get right into this tutorial. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to start with is this Hourglass. I believe this is the Mineral Veil. Yes, Mineral Primer Veil. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this and just start slobbing this all over the face. Okay, so the palette I will be using for today's fall tutorial is my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette. I'm going to be using this shade, this shade, this shade, and about maybe a combination of these shades. So let's get right into it. So I'm going to leave the eyes alone for now, and I'm going to do my face. I'm going to be using my Tarte Shape Tape Foundation. I'm in the shade Medium Tan Honey, and I'm just going to put some of this all over the face. So I'm just going to put some here, down my nose, on my cheek, some here, create a foundation mustache, and then I'm going to go in with this Sephora brush. This is an all over powder brush, but I'm going to use it for my foundation. I'm just going to stipple this in. I'm not really like swiping, I'm stippling, like I'm pressing on my face. So I'm going to warm up my face with my Benefit. This is my Hoola Quickie Contour Stick, and I'm just going to take this and place it here, here, and here. I love this stuff. And then I'm going to take my dry beauty blender again, and with the side of it I'm just going to blend it until it looks seamless. Okay, so now I'm going to highlight underneath my eyes. And I'm just going to take my Moda Beauty, this is the number 3 brush, I believe. Okay, so I'm going to set under my eyes with my e.l.f. finishing powder. I have the shade Light Medium, and I'm just taking my Luxie brush, this is a 660 brush, and I'm just going to set this. So now I'm going to use my CoverGirl Peach Punch palette, and I'm just going to go in with my Luxie 522 brush, and I'm going in with this shade, and I'm taking this and I'm placing this under my cheekbones, and I'm bringing it up. Okay, now with my angled blush brush from e.l.f., I'm going to go in with this peachy pink shade, and I chose this color because I think it complements green very well, and I'm stamping this on my cheek, and then I'm blending it. And then I am also taking this highlighting shade with my other e.l.f. brush. This is a blush brush, but it's a flat brush that I like to use for highlighting, and I'm just going to do this, and then I like to bring it in just a little bit right here. Taking this Aesthetica, this is a spoolie brush, and I am just brushing away any products that have been in my eyebrows. And then I'm going in with my I believe this is my L'Oreal. Yes, L'Oreal Brow Stylish Designer in dark brunette. Okay, so now I'm going in with the Brow Gal, and I'm going to set down my eyebrows with this stuff. This stuff is amazing. Okay, so going back in with the eyes, I'm going in with my Butter London Glazing Lustrous Liner. I got this in my last BoxyCharm. I think it was the month of September. And I'm just going to take a little bit of this stuff and I'm just going to line my lashes. My eyes. Okay, so the next thing, the final thing that I have for my eyes is this. This is my mascara by Flower Beauty called Lash Warrior. I have the shade Fierce Black. And I'm just going to put mascara on my lashes. The last thing to complete this look, I am using my Smashbox. This is a liquid lipstick called Girl Please. And this is a reddish brown with a little bit of gold like glitter in it. You can barely tell though. And I'm going to use this to finish off this look. Ooh, just a glob on there. This is the end of my tutorial. I hope you liked this makeup look that I did for fall. If you like this video, or if you like me, please give this video a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, because that would just make my day. That would just make me feel all warm and snuggle inside. So thanks so much for watching. Bye.